everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, the plan we're going to be covering today is one that most people don't make plans for because it's something they really don't want to deal with, and that's the death of a family member. You need to have plans in place to deal with the death of a family member in normal times, in times when things are a bit rough, and in times where we're into a end of the world as we know it situation where you don't have access to a funeral home and the quote modern conveniences of burying someone. So I know this is going to be a short one because there's not much I can tell you what to do. It's stuff you need to figure out what you're going to do, get it taken care of, and when I say get taken care of, getting the plan ready so that if it happens, you're ready for it, whether it's now, in bed, or in the end of the world situations. So one of the other things to consider with this is more than just dealing with, I don't want to sound cold here, dealing with the body. You also need to deal with legal ramifications, especially if it happens in normal times. Do you have a living trust? Do you have things set up in an LLC or an S corp so that you don't have to worry about paying probate or all the extra inheritance taxes or any of this other crap that people get hit with by different states for when someone dies? So check out with the best thing I can say is see about getting a family trust set up and talk to a lawyer about it and getting things taken care of. Also, make sure when you talk to that lawyer, talk about everything dealing with insurance, property taxes, all the different things that need to be changed over to a trust when you get a living trust set up. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and grow fresh food. All right.